Is Tesla about to break the auto industry again overnight? New reports confirm the Gigapress 4.0 upgrade is real, and the Cybercab casting progress reveals massive hidden changes. These changes will make previous Tesla factories look completely outdated. But why did Tesla need to upgrade the Gigapress now? Was there a serious weakness in the current manufacturing system? Or is Elon Musk hiding a vehicle cheaper than anyone expects? Some reports say the Cybercab project is moving shockingly fast, faster than any Tesla project we have seen before. This could change the entire auto industry within a few years. But most people have no idea what is really coming. Behind this upgrade lies secrets very few insiders are discussing. Today we reveal how Tesla will reshape car factories forever. A few years ago, car factories looked completely different than today. Hundreds of separate parts were welded together very slowly. Dozens of robots worked just to build one car frame. The process took hours and needed massive amounts of labor. Then Tesla introduced a radical idea called Giga casting. Instead of joining many small parts, just cast one large piece. Giga casting means one giant machine does the work of dozens. Molten aluminum pours into a mold to form entire sections. Where hundreds of welds existed, now only one single piece remains. This saved time, reduced complexity, and cut manufacturing costs drastically. Fewer parts meant fewer robots and a much simpler supply chain. Now Tesla is taking this technology to an entirely new level. Gigapress 4.0 is not just an upgrade, but a revolution. The new machines can cast larger and more complex sections than before. This means even bigger parts of the vehicle become one piece. Fewer steps mean less assembly and much faster production lines. The casting capacity has increased dramatically, according to industry sources. Tesla wants to include almost every structural component into single castings. This will speed up vehicle production more than anyone realizes. Time is the most important factor inside any car factory. If a machine produces more castings faster, the whole plant wins. Tesla is constantly working to shorten the casting cycle time. Improved precision means every casting fits perfectly every single time. Large metal sections have almost no room for manufacturing errors. Consistent casting makes the entire assembly process much easier afterwards. Fewer defective parts mean less rework and lower production costs. Tesla is also taking automation to a new level with sensors. AI-based systems now monitor temperature, pressure, and material flow constantly. These smart systems can spot potential problems before they happen. This makes manufacturing far more stable and reliable than before. The final goal is simple: produce more vehicles using fewer resources. That is why Gigapress 4.0 is Tesla's next major manufacturing leap. Now, let us talk about why Cybercab matters so much. Cybercab is not just another electric vehicle from Tesla. Instead, it is part of Elon Musk's long-term autonomous transportation vision. A future where people do not need to drive themselves anymore. Cybercab is designed from the ground up as a robotaxi. No steering wheel, no pedals, just pure self-driving capability. Tesla believes if a car drives itself, why keep old controls? This thinking makes Cybercab completely different from any other EV. But Tesla does not just want to show off new technology. Instead, the company wants to produce millions of Cybercab units worldwide. A successful robotaxi service needs hundreds of thousands of vehicles minimum. That is why mass production was part of the design from day one. Lower-cost transportation is another major goal for this project. Taxis and ride-sharing are too expensive in many cities today. Removing the driver and lowering production costs cuts trip prices dramatically. Ordinary people could finally afford autonomous transportation everywhere. Elon Musk has spoken about this future for many years, actually. Cybercab is the most important piece of that entire vision. That is why Tesla is moving forward so seriously with this project. Now let us examine what changes are happening in casting. The most interesting part is not just the design instead. It is how Tesla is actually building the Cybercab vehicle itself. Tesla is moving toward front casting and rear casting, both together. Large portions of the front structure become one casted piece. The rear structure also becomes one casted piece as well. Underbody integration means combining several sections into less complex designs. This reduces the need for separate parts dramatically across the vehicle. Fewer parts directly means a lower component count overall. Where dozens of parts once existed, now only a few remain. This simplifies manufacturing and makes the supply chain easier too. Tesla is also simplifying the assembly line with fewer steps. When you have fewer parts to connect, production becomes much faster. More vehicles can be built at the same time using less space. Structural improvement happens naturally because fewer joints mean more strength. Fewer welding points also mean fewer potential failure locations overall. Some manufacturing complexities disappear when you use large castings instead. Traditional cars contain thousands of different parts coming from many suppliers. Body panels, frame sections, brackets, and supports all arrive separately. Then workers assemble everything slowly inside a massive factory complex. Car manufacturing has always been a long, complex, expensive process, sadly. Tesla has been trying to reduce this complexity for many years. The company believes fewer parts mean faster, cheaper, and more efficient builds. This same thinking powers gigacasting and the new Cybercab production. With Cybercab, Tesla wants to take simplification further than ever before. The unboxed production strategy is also part of this new approach. Vehicles are built in large, separate modules, not traditional assembly lines. Then those modules join together later like building blocks finally. This makes the whole production process more flexible and much faster. Fewer parts also means a massive reduction in total welding points. Where hundreds of welds once existed, now only a few remain. This saves enormous time and makes manufacturing simpler for workers too. Fewer suppliers are needed when fewer parts are produced overall. Logistics becomes simpler, and transportation costs drop significantly as well. Connecting fewer parts is always easier than connecting thousands of pieces. This helps increase factory speed, lower costs, and build more vehicles. Can Cybercab actually become the world's cheapest Tesla ever made? Many experts believe yes, if Tesla succeeds with its current plans. The final price is not confirmed yet, but signs look promising. Tesla is continuously reducing the number of parts used in vehicles. Gigacasting, improved automation, and simpler assembly all cut expenses dramatically. When a vehicle takes less time to build, costs drop automatically. Battery cost is another huge factor in any electric vehicle. The battery remains the largest single expense in every EV made. Tesla is focusing heavily on making batteries cheaper to produce. If battery costs fall, Cybercab price could drop even further. Assembly efficiency is also key to lowering the final vehicle price. Cybercab is designed to be built in very few production steps. This helps the production line move faster than traditional vehicles ever could. High-volume production brings down cost per unit significantly over time. If Tesla builds millions of Cybercabs, the price could become very low. That is why experts see Cybercab as affordable transportation vision material. Tesla wants everyone to access low-cost, autonomous transportation in future. This could completely change taxi ride-sharing and urban transport markets. But Gigapress 4.0 also faces serious challenges that cannot be ignored. Casting defects are the first major problem with large metal parts. Molten metal poured into huge molds must be controlled with extreme precision. Small issues like temperature changes can cause cracks or air pockets. Preventing these defects completely in large castings is very difficult actually. Repair complexity is another hidden problem with large casted structures. If a small section gets damaged in a traditional car, replacing just that small part is relatively simple and cheap. But with a large single casting, repairs become complicated and expensive. Production downtime is a major concern for machines like Gigapress. If one giant machine stops, the whole production line can halt. This directly impacts vehicle manufacturing speed and company revenue significantly. Quality control becomes much more important when parts are very large. Every single casting must be inspected extremely carefully for hidden defects. Even a small defect can cause bigger problems later during assembly. Maintaining such massive machines is not easy or cheap either. Regular inspections, part replacements, and proper upkeep are absolutely essential. If maintenance fails, production stops immediately, costing millions of dollars. Material consistency is another serious issue for large-scale casting operations. The quality of molten metal must remain identical in every single casting. Small variations in material can affect strength and performance of finished parts. Tesla also faces scaling challenges across multiple factories around the world. Making technology work perfectly in one factory is hard enough alone. Maintaining the same quality across 10 factories is much more difficult. Factory integration is essential because new machines must connect with existing systems. Everything must work together smoothly for production to succeed ultimately. What is the current status of Cybercab production right now? Interest in Cybercab continues to grow every single day, actually. But how far has production really progressed behind closed doors? Tesla has been preparing factories for Cybercab for quite some time. The company is not just launching a vehicle, but building a system. Manufacturing lines are being changed to handle new production technologies. Gigacasting and automation systems are being installed across multiple locations. Several Cybercab prototypes have already been developed for testing purposes. These prototypes are used for design validation and technical performance evaluation. Pilot production is the next critical stage before mass manufacturing begins. A limited number of vehicles are built to test the entire process. This helps identify technical issues that need solving before full production. Manufacturing equipment like new machines, robots, and casting systems are arriving. Testing phases continuously evaluate safety software, battery, and autonomous driving systems. Since Cybercab relies entirely on autonomous driving, testing becomes even more important. Regulatory hurdles remain a major challenge for Tesla going forward. Different countries have different rules for self-driving vehicles completely. Obtaining approvals will take time and careful negotiation with governments worldwide. Tesla's goal is large-scale production, so Cybercab reaches millions of people. But the biggest question still remains unanswered today, actually. Is Gigapress 4.0 just another new machine from Tesla only? Or could it define the direction of every future car factory? Gigacasting has already proven fewer parts, faster production, simpler assembly. If Gigapress 4.0 improves this process even more dramatically, the way vehicles are manufactured could change completely within years. Future factories could become more automated than we can imagine today. Where hundreds of steps exist now, fewer steps will exist tomorrow. AI-driven manufacturing could become a major part of this transformation. Smart systems will monitor production, identify problems early, and optimize everything. If production costs fall, vehicle prices could drop significantly worldwide. More affordable EVs may enter the market than ever before possible. Global EV competition could become even stronger as Tesla leads forward. Other manufacturers, seeing Tesla's success, will adopt gigacasting too. But Tesla's advantage is years of real-world production experience already. The coming years will determine if Gigapress 4.0 becomes industry standard. One thing is absolutely clear: vehicle manufacturing is changing rapidly now. If Tesla produces Cybercab at massive scale and extremely low cost, could traditional car factories become completely outdated technology very soon? What do you think about Tesla's Cybercab and Gigapress 4.0? Could this really change the future of the entire auto industry? Share your opinion in the comments because we want to know.